Hi, this is Bree from Review Nerds. Today I'm reviewing this utensil holder and the utensils in it. I've had these for about a year now and they've held up pretty well. What I will say is that they're not entirely dishwasher friendly. So this wooden piece detaches. I've had them detach on a couple of the utensils that it came with after being in the dishwasher, but as I mentioned, I have had this for a year and most of them have held up really well. The tongs for salad and or flipping burgers have worked really well. If you are barbecuing something, spreading on some sauce, this has worked really well for me. And what I really like is that it's easy to clean, so it doesn't look stained in any way. Sometimes utensils can take on the color of whatever it is that you're cooking, and that makes you feel like you're using something that is kind of gross. But I really enjoy these. They're easy to clean. As I mentioned, I would do a hand clean, not a dishwasher clean, but overall, pretty good for what I needed them for and for the time that I needed them.